How to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to enable sensitive content on Telegram, you will not be able to do it from the application itself. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Web Telegram and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the first link you see there, that is web.telegram.org. You will then be required to enter your login credentials. So go ahead and enter your login credentials and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. You will see the settings option. Tap on that and in the settings page, scroll down and you will see the option for privacy and security. Tap on that and scroll down again and under sensitive content, you will see the disable filtering checkbox. So go ahead and select the disable filtering checkbox. When this feature is enabled, all the sensitive media in public channels will be displayed. So this is how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.